Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. Want to bring you another original design. This is the Texas two-step knot. Take two ties to do this one, so let's go and get started. This is my left side, as usual. It's at the belt line. We're just going to come over here and just going to do a mocha pinch from Boris Mocha. And there like that. So we'll give him a lot of shout outs today because we'll be using a lot of techniques that he's done. We're just going to come up and over with both ties. However you can get them both up and over there. So there we go. So what we're going to have here is we're going to have a dark tie and we're going to have a wider, lighter tie. That's how I'm doing it. So you can see the contrast. We're going to bring them both over like this. We're going to bring one on each side, the lighter tie around, and we're going to come around like this. And then we're going to put this darker tie literally right over it like that. And then we're going to come up and over. We're going to fold this in half. The Boris Mocha technique, Limbo Darkest technique. And I'm just going to open up this loop right here. Squeeze this through. And then bring that back around like that. And then up and through like that. So we have this going on over here. We're going to fold this in half just like we did with the other one. And we're going to bring this up and over here like this. But remember that loop we made over here? This is going to go through that. Going to go right through that hole that we just made, that loop. Tighten that up like that. Bring this around like this. And I want to open up this one. Keep it and fold it in half. Oh. Let's put this back up here. Tell you what, let's just not do that. Let's do it through here instead. So fold it in half. It comes through here. Come back down like this. And then up. Like that. And then come up and over like this. I put my collar down here, put my buttons, and then let's kind of see what we can do to rearrange this. Spread it out. I want more yellow showing than this, so we will. It's all in the post-production sometimes, but we'll bring that one up like that. Slide that over, slide that over. And then there, well, no. Slide that down like that. And then there you have the Texas two-step. You got two ties there. Big bulky knot. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video for more tie knot creations. And also follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials to see the picture for this. Peace and God bless.